Hey, so it's Clarence Barnes and Tim McCarthy from HushMat. Now, as you can see, Tim's here with another way of showing you exactly how HushMat works. Now, this is interesting because I wasn't sure where he was going with this. This originally, only minutes ago, was a brand new blender. And now he's got CDs in his hand. So you covered the blender.
We covered the blender with HushMat Ultra.
Okay.
And then over the top of that, we applied the Silencer Megabond.
Okay, great.
Now, we took a cardboard box.
Just a regular cardboard box.
Cardboard box, and we lined the inside of it with Silencer Megabond.
So nothing else.
Nothing else.
That's nothing, okay.
Nothing else. So we're gonna take these CDs and we're gonna put them inside the blender.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. You know it's gonna happen, right? I can feel it coming. All right, let's make sure it's on tight.
We're on tight.
Oh boy, all right. There you go. You ready?
Now, we're gonna grind up the CDs.
Okay, go ahead. It slices, it dices.
Okay. Then we're gonna put the Silencer Megabond over the top of it.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Night
that
and
is
day
cool.
difference.
You got me. That is wild.
So,
go be. That's just a mess, you know.
that's what happens when they let two car guys in the kitchen.
Silencer Megabond. That's all it is right around in the inside of this box.
That's it.
Wow. Take it off one more time.
Night and day difference.
That's amazing. All right, let's see if the CDs are done. Wow.
Let's see if they're.
Oh, look at that.
I think they're pretty well cooked.
So much for that. Silencer Megabond. That is so cool. Hey, tell you what, you want a great solution, check this out. Silencer Megabond. You can see it at, go to the website, and while you're there, realize that it is all made in USA. So if you go to HushMat.com, chances are you'll meet this guy. Check in right now, HushMat.com.